In this video, let's talk about it is safe to use Tesla wheel spacers.
To tell the truth, Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle's hub and each corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any Tesla Model Y wheel spacers that are installed. Installing half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection and the lug bolt can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Tesla Model Y wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Tesla Model Y wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Bonus forged multi-stage half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, bonus forged multi-stage half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will be effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, bonus FT cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which tremendously nurture the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, bonus forged FT cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.